Alright, taking the splash shield off. Or I mean the heat shield, my bad. Alright, something's new with these, let's say 2024 CRV. This is a hybrid. Recently it's been getting codes for P24C0, and this is what has been very common with the canister changeover valve, or what we got here. Hey Johnny. So what happens is, this guy fills up with water during the winter time. This thing here thinks that the valve is stuck closed. So we're gonna remove this, and then we're gonna check the inside of this. You can see water in it. I think it's saturated the filter in there, and then it just plugs it up. You can see water. Can I get it in the camera? Yeah, so you can see the paper filter stuff. And then down there.
Shiny in the...
I wonder if I can get.
Maybe try to get this in, and then. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. It covers up most of the.
Yeah. See if you can blow through it.
You know, you gotta relax the throat and cup the balls. Oh, she's blood.
Oh yeah.